Would you mind you
Oh,
introduce yourself?
okay.
Yeah. What is your name? Can you tell me something more about yourself?
My name is Joyce Racines from San Mateo, Isabela. I'm 38 years old. I have my experience is Singapore. I only there is 11 years.
With one employer?
Yes,
Oh, why you leave?
because I finished already. I make own build own family first.
I see. And then why now you want to apply to Hong Kong?
Yeah, I want
Why?
because I want to give again my kids another for the hair future
Like that? How many years do you wish to work in Hong Kong?
until I finish my contract. Also, if my employer tell me another contract, I can
Do you mind no Sunday holiday?
uh,
Will you accept no Sunday holiday?
accept.
You okay? No Sunday.
Yeah,
How about share work with another helper?
what, ma'am?
I mean share work with another helper.
Uh, no.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay, ma'am.
You okay? And then do you afraid of dogs?
Yeah, no, no afraid dog.
You know afraid dog. And then you know
No.
how to cook Chinese dishes?
Yes.
What kind of dishes you can cook?
Chinese rice. Um, what is chicken? What? Chinese rice. Then this noodles.